Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and this is the update for the Stardew Valley project pan I created this year. It's me and Christina from Christina's Jane channel. I'm gonna have her channel in the description box. There's also a playlist that I'm also gonna have in the description box as well. And the playlist has this year's and last year's. It's all just together. So let's just get into the items I have. So first off, for Pam, I have this e.l.f. Undereye lip balm, which my goal was 4 uses, and I finally reached 4 uses. This is in the shade Tough Cookie. I did it because she's a tough cookie. So yeah, I reached 4 uses. It wasn't like this last month. I was like, okay, this is my main focus. I'm gonna use it. And I was like, I wanted to at least get 10 away from the goal, but I made the goal, so it was like, okay, that's great. So yeah, this is rolling out of this project. Next is for Haley, and that's this Formula X nail polish in the shade Dollface. I went from there to there, which is a pretty good movement for me. I think I did a little more than a third of this little mini polish. And yeah, so I'm just keep on trying to keep the same momentum going with this. I'm mostly focusing on this polish and then a turquoise polish that's in my A-Z project pan. And those two are my main focus right now. So yeah. If I can make at least the same amount of progress by next month, that will be great. Next is for Pierre, and did I say who that? Yeah, I said who that was for, and that's this micellar water. This is the Yes 2 Tomatoes micellar water. I went from there to there. There's very little left. I am hoping to finish it off by next update. So yeah, so by next update, hopefully 2 more items will be rolling out. So that will be great. So yeah, there's only a tiny bit more left. I can get that done. Next is for Jazz, which I have buxom, gabby. I did it because she's purple and this is purple, so I went from there to there. I was like, as soon as, because I finished this a week and a half early, more than I was done early than a week and a half to a week and a half before I was gonna film for this update. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna start working on this, and then I had to stop because I got a really bad cold. I'm just now over it. So it was for 4 days I had such bad congestion in my head. My head felt like a balloon, and it was awful. But it was just a cold. I tested negative for the other thing, so it wasn't that. It was just a routine cold that was really bad cough and congestion. I'm blowing my nose all the time, but I got through it. I'm better now, so yeah. I get colds almost every year though. Almost every year I get sick. Almost random time. It's just poor immune system. But yeah, I went from there to there. I think it might be even lower. I think there's just a lot of product buildup at the bottom because the wand is picking up almost nothing. And I think I'm gonna be taking the stopper out very shortly because I could still scrape the walls right now. So I could probably get a couple more uses before I take the stopper out. And once I take the stopper out, I might need to lay on its side and get a spatula and scoop like lay it on the side, scoop that, and just put it over here, and then use it from like there, because that's usually how I use the last like little bit. But this will definitely be gone by next update, so that is super exciting to have another empty. So that's great. So hopefully by next update these two will be gone. So yeah. And then last, but certainly not least, is for Sandy, and that's Nabla Lola, which is the blush I'm wearing today. I have gotten 3 more uses since the last update, so that's a total of 5 uses. Goal is 20 uses on this. I'm doing a lot of usage goals because that's where I found my niche, where I make a good amount of progress, but still I'm still like rotating through all my things, because yeah, I'm terrible at finishing things because things take me so long to finish. But yeah, I'm wearing this today. I'm wearing it with my Nabla bronzer that's I've had it for like a month, maybe 2 months at this point. I've only used that one a couple times though. But yeah, so 5 in total uses, and yeah. A quarter of the way there. So next, it's time to roll something in, because Pam rolled out. So I'm gonna roll in something for Lewis, who is the mayor of Pelican Town, and I'm gonna roll in this. This is a white mascara. It's like this is my last like colored mascara I own, and I haven't even opened it. I bought this like a year ago, maybe a little over a year ago. I never opened it though, so it's still like fine. But I never used it. I never opened it. I kind of just want to get some uses in it so I can maybe just toss it in the future. So yeah, my goal is to be 20 uses, and I picked this for Mayor Lewis because it says the shade is called Little White Lie. I bet as a mayor of a town you have to tell a lot little white lies to everyone. That's just, I don't know. I've never been a mayor. I don't know anything about politics, but that's why I chose it for Mayor Lewis, because he probably has a bunch of little white lies that he has to tell to like a bunch of people. So yeah, and that's all of the items. So yeah, if you like the way my hair looks, let me know, because yesterday I washed my hair, and like I used a mousse for the first time, like a hair mousse, and I feel like it's way more like poof way more like than it usually is. I mean, this is after like sleeping on it and brushing it through, but I feel like it's way more like wavy or something. I don't know. This is my first time using a hair mousse, so I may have used it wrong too. But yeah, so if you like my hair, let me know, because or if you think it looks different at all, because I kind of feel like it looks a little different, but maybe it's not enough to like continually use it. I mean, I'm someone who usually just uses a shampoo. I don't even use conditioner. I haven't used conditioner in years, so like I'm kind of thinking about maybe hair mousse will like help my hair do stuff. I don't know, but yeah, let me know if you think my hair looks different than usual. Probably not, but yeah, I mean, it does have some like body to it, but it always has some body to it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll also link my dress, because this is from a cool shop, which I got this at Savers actually, but I'll link the site that they sell like mommy daughter dresses, but you could just get adult dresses if you don't have a daughter to put the dresses on. But yeah, this is a beautiful little blue dress, and it has pockets, and it has dragons. Like, dragons are cool, but brand is called Princess Awesome, and I want like at least 2 more of the dresses. So, and it's super comfy. It's 95% cotton, so it's really breathable. It's 5% spandex, and it's like really stretchy too. Super duper comfy lounging dress that you could like go to the park in, or like play around outside in. Super comfy. So I'm gonna link that in the description as well. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.